All right, number 50 says we need to cut our back cross braces. As you can see here, we've got the measurements. I'm going to go over those in a second, but let's look and see what exactly the cross braces are. Okay, these are the cross braces right here. As you notice, we've got 3 of them. They're all the same size. And our 4th one on the bottom is a little bit bigger. It's supposed to be because we need it to sit above where the bottom is down here, okay? So let's see if we can see in there a little bit. We can see that it sits a little bit above where that is, okay? We need that to do it about a 1/2 inch higher, okay? So as far as the thickness should be about 13/16 of an inch, okay? If we get to 3/4 of an inch, I'm okay with that as well. The width I usually set at about 2 1/8 inches so we can joint both sides. We will round these off as well before we put them on. If you end up wanting yours a little bit smaller, okay, if you rather have 5 on here instead of 3, we can do that, okay? Just note that you'll have to make them smaller, so instead of 2 inches, they might have to be 1 1/2 inches, but let's not get too small. And then a couple things on the bottom one here. As you can see, the bottom does sit at about 3.5 inches in height. We rounded the top on that, just like we rounded the top and bottom on these, and I'll show you how to do that. Notice the bottom does not get rounded. And the other thing with the bottom is we have to put an angle on that, okay? So, cross braces are next. That's number 50. This one says the bottom brace is 13/16 by 3.5. The length is the width of the carcass plus 1/8 of an inch. Or if you're even better, if you can go 1/16 of an inch, that'll mean less sanding for you, okay, because it'll be a 32nd on each side. Same thing here, the cross braces, same as the bottom brace. Go either an 1/8 or a 1/16. Like I said, a 1/16 will be better. But you'll have 3 of those, okay? They all need to be the same thickness, all right? So that's what we're gonna be doing, is making the bottom braces.